What if I told you there's a real life hero who builds giant towers made of ice and even inspired a famous Bollywood movie? Meet Sonam Wangchuk, the engineer from the mountains of Ladakh who turned ice into a life-saving invention. Let's find out how he became a real hero. When Sonam Wangchuk was in school, he noticed something interesting. A lot of kids found it hard to learn just by reading from books all day. He believed something different, that kids learn best when they build things, explore things, and try things with their own hands. That one idea would change his whole life and the lives of thousands of children after him. So Sonam Wangchuk started a very special school called SECMOL, the Students' Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh. At this school, students don't just sit at desks. They build solar-powered buildings, grow their own food, and learn real skills like carpentry and farming. And here's the coolest part. Even though Ladakh gets freezing cold, the entire school runs almost completely on solar energy. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Ladakh is a cold desert. That means very little water, especially in spring, exactly when farmers need it most to grow their crops. So Wangchuk invented something incredible, the ice stupa. Picture this, a giant cone-shaped tower of ice, taller than a 5-story building, storing millions of liters of frozen water all winter long. When spring arrives, the ice slowly melts and gives farmers the water they desperately need. Just like a man-made glacier. One simple idea, one giant solution. That's the power of thinking differently. Here's a fun twist. Sonam Wangchuk's story became so famous that it inspired a character in one of India's most loved movies, Three Idiots. The character Phunsukh Wangdu, played by superstar Aamir Khan, was inspired by Wangchuk's spirit of curiosity, hands-on invention, and his love for Ladakh. While the movie's story was mainly based on a novel, the character's passion for practical learning and building useful machines came straight from Wangchuk's real-life work. So next time you watch that movie, remember, the real genius behind that inspiration is a true engineer who actually built ice towers in the mountains. Sonam Wangchuk also received some of the biggest awards in the world. The Rolex Award for Enterprise, the Global Award for Sustainable Architecture, and the Ramon Magsaysay Award, often called Asia's Nobel Prize. So why is Sonam Wangchuk called a real hero? Because when he saw a problem, he didn't wait for someone else to fix it. He used his brain, his creativity, and his heart to build a solution. And guess what? You don't need superpowers to be a hero either. You just need curiosity, creativity, and care for others. So here's a question for you. What problem around you could you try to solve with a clever idea? Type your answer in the comments. And subscribe to Brain Up Kids for more real hero stories that make learning fun.